You want that if the CM barges in and CM commits any offense, the ED will inform the state government, which is headed by the CM. The ED, what is required to do according to your submission is that ED will inform the state government whose chief minister has barged in.
But Lordship are getting upset for no reason.
No, I am not.
Let me explain.
We are just trying to explain you that we have understood it. If you don't ask any question,
No, please do.
keep quiet.
That's no matter how.
And then deliver a judgment.
They are here in, I hope whether I'm making my point. They are here investigating what? Proceeds of crime in respect to what? Old scam, for which an FIR is registered. In the course of that investigation, they find that some other offense has been committed. Under 66(2), they have to refer it to the state. Right? And what are those other offenses? Just see the petition.
You want that if the CM barges in and CM commits any offense, the ED will inform the state government, which is headed by the CM. If the chief minister barges in, commits an offense, obstructs the ED, what is required to do according to your submission is that ED will inform the state government whose chief minister has barged in. That is your argument. We have understood. We have understood your argument.
Lordship are getting upset for no reason.
No, I am not.
Let me explain.
We are just trying to explain you that we have understood it.
No, your Lordships haven't. Because your Lordships are now saying that you are assuming that the CM has committed offences.
No, we have not.
You are.
That is the fact.
Well, how is it the fact? It's an allegation.
That is allegation.
So don't say it's a fact, Manoj.
Yes, you are right.
That's all I'm saying, Manoj. There's nothing more. Once your Lordship
these are the
once or twice.
Don't mistake us, Mr. Sibal.
It's an allegation.
An allegation on us?
No, it's an allegation by them against the Chief Minister.
Yes, that is the allegation.
Not a fact.
And that is
Which is published every
because of that allegation we are here, all of us are
Once the Chief Minister comes on the media and says that yes, I have collected every evidence which is gathered by the
It is not a fact, is what I'm saying. It's an allegation.
Yes, it's an
Right?
allegation.
So you can't assume that.
Allegation is always based on some facts. If there are no facts, there is no
That
allegation.
is to be investigated.
There has to be some factual foundation
That is true.
for every allegation.
That is to be investigated.
Yes, and that is what they are praying for.
For CBI to investigate.
Whatever agency,
No, that's
that
the
is
point.
their prayer.
The point I'm making is 66(2) doesn't allow them to do that.
Yes, please. We are just trying to
That's fine.
apprise you what we have gathered from your argument.
No. Whatever I'm trying to interpret 66(2).
No. You are trying to say that when any offense is committed
Yes.
while investigating if the PMLA investigation is underway and some other offense is come to the notice of the ED officers,
Right.
then the concerned agency,
Yes.
in this case,
Yes.
state government,
Yes.
should be informed.
Yes. Now, let me explain. Forget
Yes.
the CM for a minute. We're interpreting.
No, I have not said again CM. Since you are accusing that the moment we say CM,
No.
we are assuming something.
Sir, I'm just.
The second time I have not mentioned.
No, I'm not saying this, Madhur. Now,
Yes.
assuming Madhur, an ordinary person, an investigation is taking place, Madhur, and somebody finds that an offence under the IPC has been committed by an ordinary person. 66(2) will apply. 66(2) will apply.
Yes, you argue.
That's the point I'm making, Madhur.
Yes, please.
Forget about authorities. At the moment, I'm saying 66(2) provides provides a provision under the PMLA that if number 1 applies, that is subsection 1 applies, and during the course of investigation, right, an offence is committed, then it must go to the state agency. Now there is a case, Manoj, which has come to this court in respect of a Deputy Chief Minister of Karnataka, where during the course of a tax rate, Manoj, it was found that certain other offences had been committed. Right, Manoj? That was referred to the state agency. That was referred to the state agency. That was objected to.
Yes.
I think my lord is also aware of that.
No, we are not aware.
My lord is aware. My lord is aware because he
Here
was.
the questions are on a far larger scale in this petition. We are arguing 62 all right, but the questions here involved are on far larger.
I am not disputing that at all.
The allegations are true, then it's directly strikes the rule of law.
No.
It is Article 14.
That's it.
That's in the article.
1 second, just we'll come to
This
that.
is what,
Well, at the moment, what was I interpreting? 66(2)? I was not talking about this, Mullah. I was interpreting, my lord said 62, it doesn't apply.
these questions are important. You may be right.
Yeah.
Then the question.
That's right, I'll answer that, Mullah.
Here, very much large.
I'll answer that, Mullah. At the moment, I was only answering one small question. Your lordship said 66(2) doesn't apply. Your lordship said it doesn't. I was only answering that, Mullah. I was only answering that question, that 66(2) apply. Your lordships put to me another question altogether. You are saying even if 66(2) were to apply, this has a much larger ramification. It's what my lord is putting to me. I understand that.
By very nature of the controversy raised in the 32 petition.
Yeah.
It is a very higher petition.
I agree, Mullah. I am not disputing that. I was at the moment, Mullah, talking.
Every aspect to be seen in that.
That's correct. I will answer that, Mullah. I will answer that. I was just answering
And
this.
why 66 may not apply is, we are asking the question,
Sure.
not that we are assuming something.
Yes, sir.
If you don't ask any question,
No, please do.
keep quiet,
Yes, no, Mullah. How
and then deliver a
will
judgment,
I answer, Mullah?
then you will,
Difficult.
anybody,
True.
it's difficult.
Please ask.
What we have understood that, you see, there are two distinct allegations.
Right.
PMLA allegations at the first place,
Right.
which ED is inquiring.
Right.
That is one set of allegations and one set of offences.
Correct.
And this particular allegation
Yeah.
is a separate set of offense.
Right.
This offense, the second set, which the petitioners herein are alleging, that has not been committed in continuation of or while the investigation of PMLA offense was undergoing.
Yes.
There are two distinct offenses.
Right.
While PMLA offense is going on, PMLA officers have not unearthed or come across some other offense. There is an offense in which is committed by some other persons against PMLA investigators.
Your lordship is right. Your lordship,
Therefore,
what your lordship
it would
is
not
saying-
apply.
Yes, what your lordship is saying is that here the offences have been committed against those who were investigated. That's what my lord is saying. Right, Mullah? We'll accept that prima facie to be correct, Mullah. We will accept that.
In the recent Supreme Court hearing March 2026 in the ED case against Mamata Banerjee, the bench expressed serious concerns over the West Bengal government's objection on maintainability, questioning how ED officers would seek remedy if their fundamental rights were violated and pointedly asking whether they should approach a state police system functioning under the same chief minister against whom allegations are made. Senior advocate Kapil Sibal argued that the ED's plea under Article 32 is not maintainable, as it does not disclose any clear violation of fundamental rights, and that the agency should instead resort to ordinary criminal remedies like filing an FIR. But the court appeared unconvinced, stressing that individual officers' right cannot be ignored, and describing the situation as very unusual, during which sharp exchanges took place, with the benchmarking "do not agitate us" by saying "we are agitated," and also questioning should ED go to the state police controlled by the CL. The matter remains pending and is likely to be heard further in April 2026.